morning, dear students. I hope all of you fine at home and your exams over, and now I will start chapter 23 in GK. According to the syllabus, I will start semester 1 completed, and according to the semester 2, it is given in the syllabus chapter 23. Chapter 23, Places of Worship. Worship. What is the name of the chapter? Places of Worship. So, places of worship. You know that in our country, different types of religions are there. Different religions, you can say that Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christians. So different religions are there, and according to their religion, they are going to the different places for worship. They are going to the different places for worship. So a place of worship. A place of worship is a design structure. Or space where any individual or group of people come to perform acts of devotion or for some religious study. So places of worship. A place of worship is a design structure or space where individuals or group of people they come to perform acts of devotion or some religious study. So we are also going in a temple. So we are not going in a mosque, because we are related to which religion? We are related to which religion? Hindu. So we are going in a temple for worship. So in your book it is given that people worship God in different ways at different places. They are performing different kind of act. People worship God in different ways and in different places and kind of different places. So identify the pictures given below and name the places of worship. So here it is given that some pictures are there in your book, and you have to find out and you have to write the name. What is this? So first picture is given. It is the Gurudwara. It is the Gurudwara. First one is the Gurudwara. First picture is the Gurudwara. Who is going in Gurudwara for worship? Sikh. Religious. Those who are related in Sikh religious, they are going in Gurudwara for worship. Second one is the second diagram. It is given. It is pagoda. What is the meaning of pagoda in Hindi? It is the Shivalaya. What we are telling in Hindi? Shivalaya. It is a tall building which is used for religious purpose, especially by the Buddhist. Pagoda is a tall building, and it is especially it is used for the religious purpose, especially by Buddhist. Third picture is given church. Christians, those who are Christian, they are going in church for worship. Fourth is mosque. Muslims go in mosque for worship. Temple. Fifth one is the temple. Hindus going in temple for worship. So different religions are there, and according to their religion they are going in different places for worship. So here you can see. And fifth one is the temple. And now come to the sixth one. Sixth is a fire temple. Sixth one is the fire temple. Fire temple. Zoroastrian is one of the world's oldest religions. So they are going in that fire temple. And last one is the synagogue. Synagogue means Aradhanalaya. So here given different places, different kinds of places. So they are according to their religion, they are going in different places for worship. So this one I will give you notes how you will write in the GK copy, and you will take revision, and I will tell you how you will write in copy. I will provide you notes, and more information I will give you through the small presentation.